Hello guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video camera on the Moto G8 Power Lite. That's a mouthful. This is the most affordable phone in the Moto G8 series and features a giant battery. But what about this camera? So it's such a cheap phone, you usually don't get the best video quality. And right now we're recording a 1080p video with the main camera on this phone. And I'm not even sure if we can zoom. Probably you can zoom a little bit digitally, but you lose in terms of quality. So this is what you get here. So zooming all the way in, let's punch on my face here and then zoom all the way back out to the main camera. And we'll also do a quick test of the autofocusing capabilities of this phone. So let me step out of the frame, see if it can switch the focus to my hand, how well it does that, and then back to the background. Once again, focus on my hand, the background. Let's do this way. Right now it should be focused on my face, you should be able to see me clearly, and then when I step out of the frame it should be able to switch the background, the focus to the background and then back to me. Let's do this one more time. And back to me, and that's a quick test of the video camera on the Moto G8 Power Lite. Thanks for watching.